Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again today. My name is Clayton Rodriguez, the CEO and founder of Claytonica. I hope you enjoyed the video that was released yesterday called Origins, which spoke about the vision of Claytonica. Today, we are going to tune into the site visit, which takes you into a tour of a website, talks to you about the excellent products that we have to offer, show you how you could effectively use this for finding the best online products. And also, please watch the video that's going to be done and released tomorrow. That is the 30th of May at 4:30 p.m. EST. Well, without wasting any time, let's dive in. So I'm going to share my screen very quickly now and take you to the website called Claytonica. A lot of people believe that a website it's got to be all flashy. But remember, the world is changing. And people have stopped looking at just the glam and the sham. They actually look at what value can your business provide them with, what it actually holds for them. Now, without wasting any time, let's look at the website of Claytonica. As you can see, it says that new .coms, right, are offered at starting 1,259 rupees because I'm logged in from India. But you can just go dive down here and change the currency to USD or any other currency, your local currency, so that you can view it in your local currency. Like now, it shows you that a new .com will cost you $16.99. Right now, let's start. Searching a domain name is absolutely very easy, right? Like, let me just think about a domain name here that I want to purchase from a brand. Let's say it is Caitlin Bonsai .us. Now, as soon as I type that there and hit the search button, it will show me whether this domain is available for purchase and at what cost. Wow, it's available and it costs you only 15.99, right? And I can also go ahead and add a .com. So the .com domain is available as well. Plus, I've got various other options that I could go ahead and purchase, like caitlinbonsai.com, caitlinbonsai.info, .net, .org. It will show you all possible options for purchase out here along with the prices. Now, if I want to purchase a domain, all I got to do is add it to my cart, right? And it gets added, and I can go ahead and look at making a purchase. Well, that's how you can search for domains. But this site has got everything that you require to go online. Now, under domains, there are various offerings. You got domain registration, bulk registration, domain transfer, bulk transfer, domain back order, so you can do a lot of things just around domains. Then you can also go ahead and purchase website builders out here. Let's click on that and see what are the offerings. You've got the website builder personal, which comes to you for only 5.99, a website builder business for 9.99, and tells you about all the features that you're going to enjoy when you buy these products from us. The entire panel refresh, and it gives you all the different features and benefits that you'll be enjoying with this product. Similarly, if you're looking out for hosting, and not only that, so within this you also have WordPress hosting, right? So you click on that, it tells you what are the different products under website hosting. We've got WordPress Basic, WordPress Deluxe, WordPress Ultimate, WordPress e-commerce. If you're building an e-commerce site, you've got the WordPress Developer. You also have WordPress Pro, and then you've also got the shopping cart option in case you want to go in for a shopping cart website. So there are quite a few options, and we've got budgets to suit everyone's pocket. Now, under hosting as well, you would see different kinds of hosting. You've got cPanel, Plesk, WordPress, Business, VPS, dedicated server. It's all there. A lot of people look at business hosting, VPS hosting. Now, we've got both standard RAM as well as high RAM. You could look at which products suit your requirements the best, and then go ahead and make purchases. You know, Also, then you've got a host of security features, including website security, SSL, managed SSL, website backup. You got marketing material. Now, people spend thousands of dollars to go ahead and get someone to do SEO for them. You don't have to do that. You can go ahead and simply use the SEO tool that is offered by Claytonica. It costs you just $6.99 a month, and it's just about going ahead, clicking, and you get instructions at the fly, on the fly. If you feel lost and you need help, all you got to do is click on the help button, which goes ahead and gives you a host of help topics on anything and everything that you need. Like, let's say you have a question and you need some help regarding, let's say, manage WordPress, right? So you can dive into it and you get a lot of information on it. Like, I want to talk about backup and restore a site. Like, do I need to back up my manage WordPress website? Just click on it and it gives you a lot of information, and also how to restore your site and much, much more. But if you feel that, I really need someone I want to talk to, Claytonica has a 24 by 7, a 24 by 7 customer experience team that is ready to speak with you and guide you. Now, to get the right number that you want to reach out to, this is the US number, because we just went ahead and changed this to USD, the region. But if I go ahead and now change this to, let's say, INR, right? You go ahead and put this as INR, you will find the number, it will refresh and give you the number that you got to call on for India. Sorry, I did it the wrong place. It was United States English. My bad. I should have changed it out here. That is only for the currency bit. So yeah, there. So as soon as I change it and select the right country and language, it goes ahead and gives me the number that I've got to call on for customer support. Now, there's something important that I have got to mention out here. You know, Everything starts with a user ID, a customer ID, and a PIN. And to get that, you've got to first go ahead and create your account. Creating an account is absolutely free, does not cost you a single red cent to register with Claytonica. So even if you're not looking at making purchases at this point in time, you can always go ahead and register yourself with Claytonica. And then when you feel a need to go ahead and make a purchase, you can, of course, go ahead and make a purchase. Now, if you already selected the products that you want to purchase, all you got to do is click on your basket, and it shows that you actually selected Caitlin Bonsai dot space, like, which is for I'm sorry, for 4,198 rupees INR, because I just changed that there. But at any point in time, you want to go ahead and change it back, you can get it back to the USD value or any other currency value that you'd like, you know. And this is a 2-year price. But if you want domain protection, it also offers you additional things that are there. And if you don't want it, you can just cancel it out here and go out of it, like, So it's really very simple to go ahead and get the products that you need at Claytonica, right? Also, if you want to go ahead and have marketing information, like, you want to do email marketing, we've got tools for that. So you don't have to spend a ton of rupees, like, dollars, to go ahead and get someone to do email marketing for you. There are email marketing offers for different types of businesses. You got email marketing beginner, email marketing up and running, and you got email marketing pro to suit different requirements. Like, if you look at email marketing pro, that's $29.99 per month, and this was savvy marketers with growing mailing list, up to 5,000 contacts, add more anytime, send up to 50,000 emails per month. And you can see all the benefits that are listed out here. So you've got a host of offerings that Claytonica can offer your business and help you be online. We also help you with email, different options again. You got workspace email, workspace online storage. workspace calendar as well. So there are a host of offerings for every business need. We ask you to go ahead, visit our website, explore it, find out what you require. You will get all the assistance that you require. If you have any challenge, I'm giving you my number. That's 98 208 58446. The country code is +91. You can WhatsApp me or give me a call, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Right now, if you need any domains, like let me also give you another example out here. Right, let's say extra smart.com. So I'm searching for for a different domain. It's been taken, but then it tells me which are the other options that I have and the cost that it would have. So if I like any of them, I can go ahead and I can make a purchase for them. Some extensions even cost you as low as $11.99. Some of them definitely are a little more expensive, like the dot store that is for $79.99, but dot coms is for $16.99. Any of them, is $16.99. You have some of them for $9.99. That's .org.in. So it gives you a lot of options. Now, what's also interesting is if I look at something like google.com, of course, that's going to be taken. I'm not going to be getting that. But look at the other options that are going to be coming up. One moment, please. It's going to take a little bit of time to refresh. Okay, let's just try something different. It's not coming up for some reason because I think it's Google. But let's say even lookup is not coming because that's similar to, let's say, search engine. Even that's taken and you're not getting anything out there. Oh, it's come. So you just have to wait a little bit of time. I think there was a little bit of, yeah. So searchengine.com is taken, but then it gives you different options that you can use to purchase. And if there are certain premium domains, then it also gives you that. Now, one extremely exciting thing that I would like to talk to you about is we also have domain backorder. Now, if you ever desire to have a domain name, but it's already taken, you can still own it. You can secure a chance to go ahead and snag up that domain the instant it gets released and becomes available. So basically, this includes all your .coms, .co, the .info, org, net, me, mobile, us, or biz. So if you have any big names, like let's say google.com, they forget to renew it and you want their domain, that domain name, you can go ahead, you can register yourself for the domain alert pro back order, and once the domain is available, you'd be alerted so that you can go ahead and look at it. So I really hope, you've enjoyed this session where I've gone ahead and shared intricate insights into our website, which will also help you understand the offerings of Claytonica. I know it's too much of information, and I do not want to go into each one of it, or else it would take an entire day. But that's the number of products and services that we have to offer you. A lot of businesses that deal with in our industry, selling you domains, selling you hosting, they use a lot of tactics to lure you into a trap, into a contract, and I mean, then they make a lot of money out of it, which is actually not necessary. But I would like to keep you waiting for that session that's going to be happening tomorrow. That's the 30th of May at 4:30 p.m. EST. So please watch that video once it's released. And don't forget, to like, subscribe, and follow our channels on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and I mean, spread the word so that we can have I mean, like, customers and people across the world helped by the products and services that is being offered by Claytonica. Hope you like our show and stay connected. Thank you. Stay safe. Keep smiling. Goodbye.